Namaskar, I am Dr. Sunil Agarwal, and in this video I am going to place some scenario in which our doctors are going to face while serving through VCareU. We'll go to the slide.
You are not alone. The doctor is not alone. The nurse, physiotherapist, pharmacist, lab, ambulance, chemist, all are there. So basically the whole services are there along with the doctor. So then we are trying to address what are the concerns the doctor might be having, what I am going to supposed to do as a doctor. Now you are supposed to do as you are supposed to do in OPD. OPD re you will get three types of patients. Kemiti pratham patient asyo easy patient, place some complaint and apna taku dekhile and you just write down some medicines. So samely आपको किए गोटे घर डाकी पेट बिंधा होची ज्वर होची मुंड बथा होची किबा a small problem पाई you went and wrote down some medicines. The second type of patients might be that you get in an OPD that he or she might be telling some problem, you are writing some medicines but along with you are writing some investigations. Same kamo karibar achi jodi आपण का घर को जाउछंती, you are seeing that patient, you just write down some medicines along with that investigations and tell them patients that ki apne investigation karela pore apun mate outre bhi daki parbe kemti dakibe ame apu application re buchhe du, but behave as if you are sitting in an OPD, but the OPD is patient's house. The third type of problem is you don't know what to do. The patient is serious and you don't know actually what is happening. So what you do in the OPD, you will call somebody's help or you will try to tell the patient कि patient is बहुत serious अच्छी and you need to get him admitted. यही कहोगे ना? अभिजीत यही कहोगे ना? So the similar things when you are going to the patient's house, you will be provided with gadgets which contains stethoscope, pulse oximeter, BP instrument. You are working in an ICU. I respect that one. So what is happening that you have to, with your gadgets, when you see the saturation is down or BP is not recordable or pulse is very high or feeble, whatever it may be, and you find it some problem is there and you are not able to figure it out, simply write it down in the prescription, patient condition is serious, need hospitalization, and tell the same truth to the patient and the patient caretaker. They will be more than happy. Don't beat around the bushes and telling about, I think, I suppose, something like that should not be. Should be clear cut one message that I think patient is serious, you need to get him admitted. So the patient attendant will be more than happy in that one. The second, these are the three scenarios you will get in the patient when you get in an OPD. Abhijit, anything else from this when you are getting a patient?
No.
No, correct. Then how I can improve my rating? It's the same thing that how a patient likes a particular doctor. That's called the rating. It's because of your behavior, your way of approach. It's not the diagnosis. Don't take it as since people think or some young doctors think कि कितने शीघ्र भलो correct diagnosis दे पाला. That is not the crack. The whole crack is that how you make them comfortable about their problem, how you are listening to their problem, how you are approaching to their problem. In the other hey, luka khullo, soija, jibo dekha. These are the rough way. And even though if you are telling them about their problem, you should be soft spoken. And finally, your finishing touch. So these improves your rating. So with this you can improve, and with this rating only you will get more and more number of leads. Leads means the more and more number of requests and the patient can call you only. So what will happen if I'll get into some trouble? Some trouble in the sense either professionally or personally. Professional in the sense, as I said, you don't know exactly like what to do. Don't worry, senior doctors will be there to help you out, and there is a button is there on the right side of the application which you can click and can talk directly to the call center, and they will connect you in the conference call with the concerned doctor. Or if you are get an altercation with a patient at their home, which is right now probably 30-40 doctor service has already been given, no confrontation has occurred. But again, suppose if some confrontation occurs, what I will suggest is that you are an esteemed doctor for our organization. So don't worry, just say smile and come out from that house. Your money will be paid, because the maximum number of confrontation is तमे तो हमर ट्रीटमेंट कलनी हमें तुम पैसा कोन पे देबो, तमे तो देखिलनी हमें पैसा कोन पे देबो। आज्ञा नमस्कार, आपन को पेशेंट भलरे रहंतु, पैसाटा बड़ कथा नुहे, आपन को पेशेंट रो स्वास्थ्यटा बड़ कथा। आउ मु आसुची, you come out, your money will be there and will be paid by the VCareU company people. So don't worry about the money. And after that also some problem occurs, since Bhubaneswar is a small place, we will be knowing where you are and we will reach you then and there only. So is the dress code and kits are mandatory? Yes, the dress code and kits are mandatory, because as I'm standing before you and speaking about you, about this VCareU app, I'm having a dress code and something is there on my background. So you will be knowing how serious I am about this webinar. So similarly, when you are going to somebody's house, that's a great thing. And when you are pressing, you are also having some expectation that the patient should behave to me in a very good way. But now, how come the patient will come to know that you are a doctor? When you press the bell, if you are wearing an apron, the person who is opening the door, okay, Dr. Asuntu, please, Pasuntu. And he will make you sit over there and will start telling about his problem. Otherwise, if you come with a casual dress, the person who is opening the door, he will say, who are you? Whom you want to meet? Please wait. I will confirm with the owner and I will inform you. So you feel bad. So your dress code will speak about 1,000 words than anything else. And kit, yes, kit is mandatory because the kit contains everything. As you are carrying a lunch box during your lunchtime, you need not to have to run here and there. Upon just the lunch box ta bahar kochundi, khauchundi, seti rakhi duchundi, say bag re. So similarly, if the kit will be there, if you are working somewhere, right now you are working at some place, so you need not have to search for your stethoscope, your BP, your sugar machine, your this, that. You are having a kit. In that kit, everything is there. And the most important thing is your prescription and pen is there. And we do suggest that you should write on that prescription and the pen, so that any medical legal case will happen, your VCareU will be a partner of that one. If you write it down on a plain paper, then nobody knows, and it is not medical legally also, it's a problematic. So we are providing you with a prescription pad as you are getting in a hospital. So we are providing a prescription pad. So you have to write in on that one. So what if I forgot to go? I mean, I think we are the most responsible person and we don't do like that one. But even though we forgot, we do have a back-end alert message will go, and the call center people will also give you a reminder call. So what if patient trail you? Patient cannot trail you because your number will be masked. Half an hour before, your number will be activated, but it will show 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. And the moment your service finish, the number will be disabled. So the patient cannot trail you. The patient cannot आपको हैरान करियोनी आगे सकाळ खाइबी संध्याळ खाइबी केमती खाइबी something like that. So what happen if consumable finishes? So in that kit bag which we are providing, in that some consumables are there, like glucometer stick is there, gloves, sanitizer, mask, these things are there. So if these things get finished up, you will replenish it at the head office, which is at Jagamara, and that is all free of cost. So what happened if I accept the booking and didn't go? Please don't do like that, because the patient will have a lot of expectation. As think in the other way around, if the patient has rejected, once accepted and rejected, how you will feel like. The same way the patient will feel like. When I will get the money? The moment you finish up your service, the money will be credited to your account. So how much time I have to spend? You have to spend only 15 minutes of time. Your 15 minutes starts, I will say in the application how it works, but you have to spend only 15 minutes with the patient. And please give only consultation. You need not have to do any sister's work or a brother's work or anything else. Only doctor's consultation. So these are the concerns we try to address. Doctor, which any questions from your side, Abhijit, so that I can tell about the concern which I might have missed. And then we will go to the partner app.